Hi, I'm Sara from Stampin Up, and today I'm here to help you create the Saying Thanks kit. Say thank you to those who make your day every day. This kit includes card bases, envelopes, pre-cut pieces, and more to create 9 cards to express appreciation in English, French, German, and Dutch. I'm going to leave these finished projects on the table as a point of reference. Here's everything you'll need to complete your projects. And don't forget to refer to your printed step-by-step instructions. If you have any questions about the products I use in this video, feel free to check out our What's What in Your Kit video linked in the description below. I like to sort my projects before I get started. That way I know which parts and pieces go with which project. Now that we're set up for success, let's get started. This kit is great for beginners because of the pre-cut shapes and sentiments. These bright and fun cards are simple and easy to assemble. And bonus, you take all the credit. As we make these projects, feel free to refer to your instructions or pause or rewind the video as we go along. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Look at these fun projects. I love the bright watercolors that add pops of color to each card. Our projects may not look exactly the same, and that's totally okay. Your personal touch and creativity are what make them special. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products, and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. I'm excited to have these cards on hand, so I'm ready to write quick notes of thanks when needed. Enjoy!